do this one here. I'm gonna go for one more. This one here. And this one is gonna be the cross arms like before. Here. Go around right there. Let's check the upper cut. The after starts on to 6. We're going to adjust from here. Okay, can you breathe in properly? Then breathe in. Breathe in up. And breathe out. Okay, one more. Breathe in. And breathe out. Okay, good. Okay, we're looking for that short leg. Let's say let's go here. Let's check this. Great. Okay, so there's a left foot leg. This here, so be negative. Last one, but okay, let's provoke it. Position. Or like, okay, good. Let's make this here, press here. Yeah, so we're gonna adjust this. It'll have to be in this side. Okay. Now let's bring this here like that. Let's close it down. Okay. Great. Hold this here. Alright, okay, good, like that. We're going to this here, like this. Okay, the last one, we're going to here like that. Okay, good. Now, we're going this up, go over. Okay, now we bring this up again. Go here like that. Good. Good. We'll go here like this. Straight down po ang tayo. Good. Good. Ayan. Go like this. Ayan, last na po. There we are. Okay. Great. Now let's feel it. Okay. Now let's lie face down. Properly. Yes, nice. Now let's have knees straight po. And then let's raise it up lang.
Sa isa lang, ma'am. Diretso lang yung tuhod, ma'am. Tapos sa taas lang.
Yeah.
As high as you can
You have to lift from here, okay?
Sige, ma'am. Ito mo muna, pataas.
Okay, good. And
Bilang side tayo, ma'am.
you bring it down. And this one naman. Same. It's not that. It might be so much. Right pa. One more chance. The other. Bring it down. Okay, good. Can you squeeze these together for me? Good. And relax. And I have one hand here. Over here. And here. Okay. Can you breathe it for me? And breathe out.